In this extensive comparison, we meticulously evaluate the technical characteristics and distinguishing features of the GoPro Hero 12 and DJI Osmo Action 4, seeking to establish which is the better option for your personal needs. Features. Both the GoPro Hero 12 and the DJI Osmo Action 4 provide a variety of professional-level features, such as timecode sync, which allows for the synchronization of several cameras to speed up the editing process. Furthermore, both cameras come with specific editing apps, Quick for GoPro and Lightcut for DJI, that allow for video editing on mobile devices and easy sharing across social media platforms. Another feature that many action cameras have in common is the ability to live broadcast, allowing users to share real-time adventures, as well as voice control functionality for hands-free operation. Image quality. The GoPro Hero 12 has excellent image quality, including video records at an astonishing maximum resolution of 5.3K/60 FPS and images at 27 MP. In comparison, the DJI Osmo Action 4 has a lower maximum resolution of 4K/120 FPS, which is 91% lower than the resolution of the Hero 12, and records images at 10 MP, which is much lower than the Hero 12. The Action 4 stands out with its larger 1/1.3 sensor, whereas the Hero 12 has a much smaller 1/19 CMOS sensor. A bigger sensor adds to better low-light performance, letting the Action 4 to surpass the Hero 12 in situations like nighttime recording or dimly lit areas like forests or caverns. Vertical shooting is supported by both action cameras, but in distinct ways. The GoPro Hero 12 makes it easier to create social media-friendly movies with new aspect ratios of 9, 16, and 8:7, while the DJI Osmo Action 4 has a horizontal vertical protective frame that allows for physical change to vertical mode, easing vlogging and social media sharing. Design. The DJI Osmo Action 4 has a unique design element, a dual full-color touchscreen that allows for quick shot framing and menu access from both the front and rear of the camera. In contrast, the GoPro Hero 12 has a dual-screen layout, but the touchscreen is only on the back, with the front screen serving merely as a preview display. Furthermore, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is somewhat more compact and lighter, measuring 70.5 x 44.2 x 32.8 mm and weighing just 145 g. The GoPro Hero 12, on the other hand, measures 50.8 x 71.8 x 33.6 mm and weighs 154 g. Build quality. The GoPro Hero 12, on the other hand, is waterproof without a case up to 10 meters and has a water-repellent lens cover to provide quality underwater recording. Despite having a lower 1720 mAh battery, the Hero 12's new power management technology improves thermal performance, resulting in a longer duration of about 2.5 hours at 1080p, comparable to the DJI Osmo Action 4. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is built to last, with a waterproof capability of up to 18 meters without a case and a tough build that can endure drops and impacts. Its prolonged battery life of up to 160 minutes is enabled by a 1770 mAh battery with quick charging, which takes only 49 minutes to fully charge. The DJI Osmo Action 4 has an advantage in extreme temperature resilience, running efficiently in temperatures as low as 20 C, whilst the Hero 12 operates in temperatures as low as 10 C. As a result, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is better suited to hard outdoor pursuits in colder climates, such as skiing or snowboarding. Additional accessories. The GoPro Hero 12 and DJI Osmo Action 4 both support a wide range of accessories geared at enhancing the camera's functionality, including mounts, tripods, and protective cases. The Max Lens Mod 2.0 is a popular choice among the several accessories compatible with the GoPro Hero 12. This patch provides an ultra-wide 177 field of vision as well as improved max hypersmooth stabilization, resulting in even smoother video capturing. The DJI Osmo Action 4, on the other hand, currently lacks a similar lens adjustment option. It does, however, include a unique accessory known as the Invisi Stick, a selfie stick that uses AI to delete itself from footage. This distinct feature is very valuable for shooting smooth third-person footage, particularly in activities such as skiing. Conclusion: both the GoPro Hero 12 and the DJI Osmo Action 4 are excellent action cameras at comparable prices, with significant advantages and disadvantages. The GoPro Hero 12 stands out thanks to its incredible 5.3K quality, vertical aspect ratios, and a more extensive feature package, which includes wireless audio support and automated highlight movie creation. The DJI Osmo Action 4, on the other hand, has a lower 4K resolution but is an excellent alternative for outdoor adventures and sports aficionados. Its top features include waterproofing to 18M, freeze-proof capability down to 20C, a bigger image sensor for better low-light performance, and the optional Invisi Stick for seamless third-person filming, which is especially useful when skiing. That's all there is to it, guys. Thank you for watching Nexa Tech vs. investigation of the GoPro Hero 12 and the DJI Osmo Action 4. We hope that this in-depth study helps you make an informed decision. Stay tuned to our channel for more tech insights and comparisons.